So let me get this straight. You just moved into a new neighborhood, you don't know anyone, and you want to do some work around your apartment or your house. What do you do? Now, traditional ways, people go to Google or Craigslist. But nowadays, rise of the scams and the crimes, you can't even trust those. You need somewhere where people are vetted, verified, and even identity background check. And that's what AllBetter does. Every contractors submit information to identify who they are. Now, as a homeowner, what is the benefit to you? One, whenever you post a job through the app, your work order gets dispatched on your behalf to thousands of contractors in your area that happens to be on board the ecosystem, giving every single one of them a chance to review your job and send you a proper bid. You get to name your price if you want to. These are the contractors that are going to be showing up at your front door to do the work. And whenever you find someone you like and you book them through the app, there's no exchange of funds, so you never have to worry about contractors running away with your deposit. It only gets released from the escrow once the job is done to your satisfaction. So you ask you to rate your experience, and as soon as that okay is done, that's when funds gets released direct to the contractor's bank account. And it's also good for you if you're real estate investors. Now you have all of those expenses saved in the cloud, ready for you to deploy at any moment. You can check them out 24/7, and then easy for you when you want to file your tax returns. The link is allbetterapp.com, which I'm going to leave here during this video.